Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast.
Hi, friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Today's topic is very important and also very real.
Yes, today we will talk about mistakes.
Don't worry, mistakes are normal.
Yes, mistakes are okay. Mistakes help us learn.
And today we will learn how to talk about mistakes in simple English.
We will use easy sentences. Very simple, beginner-friendly.
So relax, listen, and repeat with us.
And don't forget, if you like this podcast, follow and share it with your friends.
Okay, let's start learning.
Part 1, Basic Idea. What is a mistake?
Stephanie, what is a mistake?
Good question. A mistake is when you do something wrong.
Yes, something wrong, something not correct.
For example, I say goed instead of went. That is a mistake.
Very good example.
Now listeners, repeat after me. I made a mistake.
Again, I made a mistake.
One more time. I made a mistake.
Good job. Part 2, simple phrases. Let's learn some simple sentences.
First sentence. I made a mistake.
Second, sorry, I made a mistake.
Third. It was my mistake.
Fourth, I am sorry for my mistake.
Now let's practice.
Listen first.
Then repeat. I made a mistake.
Now you say it.
Good.
Sorry, I made a mistake.
Your turn.
Nice.
It was my mistake.
Repeat.
Great job.
Part 3, real life examples. Let's use real life situations.
Yes, this is very helpful.
Example 1, school.
I wrote the wrong answer. I made a mistake.
Example 2, work.
I sent the wrong email. Sorry, I made a mistake.
Example 3, home.
I broke the cup. It was my mistake.
Simple, clear, and honest.
Now you try.
Think of your own example.
Say it in English.
Take your time.
Good. You are learning.
Part 4, talking about past mistakes. Now let's talk about past mistakes.
We use past tense.
Example, I made a mistake yesterday.
Another. I made many mistakes before.
One more, I learned from my mistake.
That is very important. Learn from mistakes.
Now repeat.
I made a mistake yesterday.
Again.
I learned from my mistake.
Nice. Part 5, positive thinking.
Mistakes are not bad.
Yes, mistakes help us grow.
Say this. Mistakes help me learn.
Again, mistakes help me learn.
Very good.
Another sentence, it's okay to make mistakes.
Repeat.
You're doing great. Part 6, short dialogue practice.
Now let's do a small conversation.
Listen first.
Hey, I made a mistake.
That's okay.
I am sorry.
No problem. You can try again. Now repeat with us.
Hey, I made a mistake.
That's okay.
I am sorry.
No problem.
Good job.
You are improving already. Part 7, asking about mistakes.
Now let's ask questions.
Example, did I make a mistake?
Another, where is my mistake?
And can you help me?
Repeat.
Did I make a mistake?
Can you help me?
Nice work. Part 8, daily practice sentences.
Let's practice daily sentences.
Say them every day.
I make mistakes. I learn from mistakes. I try again. I improve every day.
Again, slowly.
I make mistakes. I learn from mistakes. I try again. I improve every day.
Very, very good. Part 9, motivation.
Friends, don't be afraid.
Yes, don't be scared of mistakes.
When you speak English, you may make mistakes.
That is normal.
That is okay.
That is how you learn.
So speak more.
Practice more.
And believe in yourself.
You can do it.
Part 10, talking about small mistakes in daily life. Okay, let's continue.
Now, we will talk about small daily mistakes.
These mistakes happen every day.
Yes, very common mistakes.
Example, I forgot my keys.
Good. That is a mistake.
Say it, I forgot my keys.
Again, I forgot my keys.
Nice.
Another example, I missed the bus.
Repeat, I missed the bus.
Good job. One more.
I woke up late.
Repeat, I woke up late.
Great.
Now say all together. I forgot my keys. I missed the bus. I woke up late.
Very good. You are improving.
Part 11, saying sorry naturally. Now, let's learn how to say sorry.
Very important in daily life.
Simple sentence. I am sorry.
Repeat, I am sorry.
Another one. I am really sorry.
Repeat.
Good.
More polite, I am sorry for that.
Repeat.
Nice.
Now, small conversation. Listen first. I am sorry, I am late.
That's okay.
Repeat with us.
I am sorry, I am late.
That's okay.
Good speaking.
Part 13. Accepting mistakes.
Now, let's accept mistakes. Accept means you say, yes, it is my mistake.
Example, yes, it was my mistake.
Repeat.
Good.
Another, I understand my mistake.
Repeat.
Nice.
One more, I will fix it.
Repeat.
Very good.
Say together, yes, it was my mistake. I understand my mistake. I will fix it.
Excellent.
Part 14, fixing mistakes. Now we talk about fixing mistakes.
Fix means correct.
Example, I will correct it.
Repeat.
I will try again.
Repeat.
I will do better next time.
Repeat.
Great.
Now listen and repeat. I will correct it. I will try again. I will do better next time.
Very nice. Part 15, asking for help.
Sometimes we need help.
Yes, that is okay.
Example, can you help me?
Repeat.
Please help me.
Repeat.
I don't understand.
Repeat.
Good job.
Now small dialogue.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Repeat.
Nice.
Part 16, learning from mistakes. Now the most important part.
Learning.
Example, I learn from my mistakes.
Repeat.
Mistakes help me grow.
Repeat.
I will not repeat this mistake.
Repeat.
Very good.
Say together, I learn from my mistakes. Mistakes help me grow. I will not repeat this mistake.
Great speaking.
Part 17, practice conversation. Let's do a longer conversation.
Listen carefully. I made a mistake in my work.
It's okay. What happened?
I sent the wrong file.
That's okay. You can fix it.
Yes, I will correct it.
Good.
Now repeat.
I made a mistake in my work.
It's okay.
I sent the wrong file.
I will correct it.
Excellent.
Part 18, confidence practice. Now speak with confidence.
Say loudly.
I can speak English. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am learning every day.
Again.
I can speak English. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am learning every day.
Very powerful.
Yes, very strong sentences.
Part 19, quick revision. Let's revise.
I made a mistake. I am sorry. I will fix it. I will try again. I learn from mistakes.
Repeat.
Good.
You are doing amazing.
Keep practicing.
Part 20, real life thinking. Now think about your day.
Did you make a mistake today?
Say it in English.
Example, I woke up late.
Or, I forgot my homework.
Speak it.
Good practice.
Part 20, talking about big mistakes. Okay, let's continue.
Now we will talk about big mistakes.
Big mistakes feel serious,
Yes, sometimes we feel bad.
but we can still talk about them.
Example, I made a big mistake.
Repeat.
I made a big mistake.
Good.
Another, it was a serious mistake.
Repeat.
Nice.
One more.
I feel bad about my mistake.
Repeat. Very good.
Say together, I made a big mistake. It was a serious mistake. I feel bad about my mistake.
Great speaking. Part 21, expressing feelings.
Now let's talk about feelings.
How do you feel after a mistake?
Example, I feel sad.
Repeat.
I feel upset.
Repeat.
I feel embarrassed.
Repeat.
Good.
Now positive sentence.
I will stay strong.
Repeat.
I will learn from this.
Repeat. Excellent. Part 22, talking to others.
Now we talk to other people.
Communication is important.
Example, I want to explain.
Repeat.
Please listen to me.
Repeat.
I will be honest.
Repeat.
Very good.
Small dialogue.
I want to explain my mistake.
Okay, I am listening.
Repeat.
Nice work. Part 23, taking responsibility.
Now we take responsibility.
This is very important.
Example, it is my fault.
Repeat.
I take responsibility.
Repeat.
I will fix my mistake.
Repeat.
Great.
Say together.
It is my fault. I take responsibility. I will fix my mistake.
Very strong sentences. Part 24, asking for another chance. Sometimes we need another chance.
Yes, and we can ask politely.
Example, please give me one more chance.
Repeat.
Please do better. Repeat, I will not repeat this. Repeat, good job. Part 25, workplace situation.
Now let's talk about work.
A common situation.
Example, I made a mistake in my report.
Repeat.
I sent wrong information.
Repeat.
I will correct it today.
Repeat.
Nice.
Small dialogue.
I made a mistake in my report.
That's okay. Please fix it.
I will correct it.
Very good. Part 26, school situation.
Now school example.
Very common for students.
I wrote the wrong answer.
Repeat.
I did not study.
Repeat.
I will study more.
Great. Keep practicing. Part 27, encouraging yourself.
Now encourage yourself.
Very important.
I am learning. I am improving. I will not give up.
Repeat.
Again,
Nice.
Believe in yourself.
You're doing great. Part 28. Practice conversation.
Let's practice a longer conversation.
Listen first.
I made a big mistake.
What happened?
I forgot an important task.
It's okay. You can fix it.
Yes, I will fix it.
Good.
Now repeat.
I made a mistake. What happened?
I forgot an important task.
I will fix it. Excellent speaking. Part 29. Quick practice lines.
Repeat quickly.
I made a mistake. I am sorry. I will fix it. I will try again. I will improve.
Again?
Good job.
Part 30. Talking about repeating mistakes. Okay, let's continue.
Now we talk about repeating mistakes.
Repeating means doing the same mistake again.
Example, I made the same mistake again.
Repeat.
I made the same mistake again.
Good.
Another, I keep making this mistake.
Repeat.
Nice speaking.
One more. I don't want to repeat this mistake.
Repeat.
Very good.
Say together, I made the same mistake again. I keep making this mistake. I don't want to repeat this mistake.
Great speaking.
Part 32, understanding the reason.
Now we understand the reason. Why did the mistake happen?
Example, I was not careful.
Repeat.
I was in a hurry.
Repeat.
I did not check.
Repeat.
Good. Say together, I was not careful. I was in a hurry. I did not check. Very useful sentences.
Part 32. Slowing down. Now we learn to slow down.
Slowing down helps reduce mistakes.
Example. I will slow down.
Repeat.
I will check again.
Repeat.
I will take my time.
Repeat.
Nice.
Say together, I will slow down. I will check again. I will take my time.
Excellent.
Part 33, being careful.
Now being careful. Careful means paying attention.
Example, I will be more careful.
Repeat.
I will focus.
Repeat.
I will pay attention.
Repeat.
Great.
Part 34. Daily practice routine. Now daily routine.
Practice every day.
Example. I practice English daily.
Repeat.
I check my work.
Repeat. I correct my mistakes.
Good job. Part 35. Talking about improvement. Now improvement.
Example, I am improving.
Repeat.
I am getting better.
Repeat.
I make fewer mistakes.
Repeat.
Nice.
Say together.
I am improving. I am getting better. I make fewer mistakes. Very motivating.
Part 36. Work conversation practice.
Now a work conversation.
Listen first.
I made the same mistake again.
Why did it happen?
I was in a hurry.
Please be more careful.
I will check again.
Good.
Now repeat.
I made the same mistake again.
I was in a hurry.
I will check again.
Excellent.
Part 37. School conversation practice. Now school example.
I made a mistake in my homework.
Did you check it?
No, I did not check.
Please check next time.
I will be careful.
Repeat.
Nice speaking.
Part 38. Strong mindset practice.
Now mindset.
Very important.
I will not give up. I will learn every day. I will improve step by step.
Repeat.
Again.
Good job. Part 39. Quick revision.
Let's revise.
I made the same mistake. I was not careful. I will slow down. I will check again. I will improve.
Repeat.
Nice.
You are doing very well. Wrap up. Let's quickly review.
Today we learned,
I made a mistake.
sorry, I made a mistake.
It was my mistake.
It was my mistake.
I learned from my mistake. Mistakes help me learn.
You did amazing today.
Yes, really amazing.
Keep practicing every day.
Even small practice is good.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What is one mistake you made recently?
And what did you learn from it?
We would love to hear from you.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.